guys, it's Hayley, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a beauty box unboxing for you, and today it is the January Glossybox. Now I've received Glossybox for a long time now. I really enjoy getting this every single month and really enjoy the products that we get in. You do normally get a really good range of products from skincare, makeup, hair care and body care. So there are two ways in which you can pay for Glossybox. So you can either have a monthly rolling subscription with them where your payment will come out every single month and there's no contract there involved. You can also take out a 12-month subscription, which again goes out of your bank every single month. However, you do have that 12-month contract there in place. Now also you can pay for outright boxes, so you could pay for 3, 6 or 12 months of boxes, but that is an upfront payment. So I basically have the 12-month one. It just means that it brings the cost of my box down a little bit and I can enjoy all the goodies for a nice inexpensive price. So the other thing about Glossybox is they have Glossy Credits. Now Glossy Credits are absolutely brilliant. Every single month you will be asked to fill in some questionnaires, a little survey on the products inside your monthly Glossybox. Now, in order to fill these out, you only need your phone, laptop, whatever, and just go onto the Glossy website. Once you've done them, that will give you some credits. Now, some are worth 50p, some are worth 25p, but just for about 4 or 5 questions, you can then use them credits to buy things from Look Fantastic or to put it towards future boxes. So it's a really good chance for you to purchase some things in the boxes if you like them, and also save up a little bit of money in case you want to treat yourselves to something special in the future. So yeah, so that's enough rambling from me. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So the box, as I said, comes like this. Again, just in the original Glossybox pink packaging. No special packaging this month. And then inside it just comes packaged like this. So you have your black bow and then you have your little leaflet, which gives you all the information about the products in here. And then inside just comes with your paper just to protect the items inside. So let's just have a little look at this. So there is a sneak peek for February. So if you don't want to see this sneak peek, then I suggest you look away, close your eyes, close your ears for a few seconds while I show the rest of my subscribers. So yeah, so February's sneak peek is a sugar lip scrub. So if you can just see, sugar lip scrub here. So this is our sneak peek for February. So yeah, so I like sugar scrubs, but I have got a few, so it'll be nice. So anyway, let's get into this box. So I'm just gonna undo the wrapping. As anybody knows who watches me, I can never do this so it doesn't wreck the paper, and this is what is in our box this month. Firstly, this is how it comes all packaged, all nice and protected with our paper and then with some of these paper worms at the bottom. And then let's just start going through these items in the box. So going to the Power of Beauty leaflet here, and then obviously it gives us our little bit of information regarding the prices and the products inside. So this one says, Happy New Year Glossies. January is all about starting afresh, and what better to take inspiration from than the natural world around us. To start off 2021, we're focusing on the fresh and pure and bringing you a selection of powerful yet gentle products that your skin is going to adore. So strip back your beauty routine and showcase your natural beauty within. So yeah, I like that. That's a nice little quote to start our box. So firstly, we have the Mud Masky Serum Infused Eye Mask, and this is for dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin and swelling, and it's fragrance free and pH balanced, and we get 30 ml in there. So this is also cruelty free. So this basically is just a mask for your eye that you wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer under your eyes and leave for 8 minutes and then wash off. So yeah, I've got a lot of Mud Masky products. I think I've got the winter cream, the summer leave-on mask, I've got the blue light protection mask as well, and now I've got the eye cream. So we have had a lot of eye creams in the subscription boxes recently. However, I've never had an eye mask. So it's a little bit different to just having a normal eye cream. Obviously it's a mask, so that's different. You know, a lot of people have said that they're upset they've got other eye products, but yeah, I'm happy with having an eye mask. Never had one of them before and definitely haven't got any in my collection. So yeah, that is the first item. Let's just have a little look what it says inside the leaflet. Okay, so this isn't in the leaflet, so I just wonder whether this is a replacement for something. So we'll have a little look as we go along and see what we're actually missing. I'm guessing it's a replacement for an item that they probably haven't put in the box. So let's have a look at the next item. So the next item is a St. Lux Brow Gel, which looks like this. And I'm guessing it is just a clear brow gel, because I haven't been asked. Let's just have a little look. Yeah, so just sleek black packaging like this. Quite small, but you don't really need big eyebrow gel casing. And this is the brush, so nice small brush there to get through your eyebrows. So yeah, so that is a clear brow gel by St. Lux, which is quite cute to have. That is in the book, so let's have a little look at what it says about this. So this is a full-sized item, and it says, bow down to your brows for a more natural look. A clear brow gel can trump a pencil or powder. This gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape that'll stay put all day. The short brow brush will give you precise placement, whilst the lightweight gel ensures there is no residue when dry. So the recommended retail price for this is £16. I don't know if I would pay £16 for a clear brow gel, if I'm completely honest with you. So that's probably something that I may enjoy, but probably wouldn't repurchase at that sort of price. So yeah, so that is one item. Next we have the Moisturizing Serum, which is fragrance free, and it's from eCooking. So this is the Moisture Boost Serum. That's this one here. And we've got 10 mils, which is 0.4 fluid ounces. And yeah, nice little serum. Got a little pump at the top and a protector there so that you can keep it nice and clean and fresh at the top. Let's have a little look at what it says about this one. So this one says, Moisturizing Serum, perfect for all ages and skin types. This serum gives your skin a likely much needed due to the cold weather moisturizing boost. By locking in your skin's natural moisture and providing an extra kick of hydration, this eCooking serum helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to ensure your skin looks youthful and radiant. And that one is a deluxe mini, which is worth £22.50. If you was to have the full size, which would be 20 ml, it will cost £45. So again, pretty high end, quite expensive. Yeah, but we'll see. It is vegan, which is nice. So we'll see what that's like on the skin. So that is that one. Next we have the Daily Concepts Daily Reusable Rounds. And you get 2 in here, and these are cruelty free and vegan. So that is what these look like. So these are like your cotton rounds that you'd use for your skincare. The only difference being is they are washable and reusable. I don't have any of these, and I have been meaning to get some, so I'm quite happy to have them and see how I get on with them. So let's have a look, open and see what they're like. Ooh. So they feel like, if you have the kind of microfiber type toweling for your skin, the makeup removers, that is what they feel like, but they're just little rounds like this. So you get 2 in a pack. Yeah, they will be absolutely covered in foundation tonight. So yeah, I just don't know how much coverage you'll get with just the one. So I don't know, maybe I could do with a few more of these. But I do use face cloths anyway. So yeah, so that's a nice addition as well. So they say daily reusable rounds from Daily Concepts are a full size item, so you will always get 2 in a packet. The recommended retail price is £6.80, and it says, did you know you can minimise your eco footprint while still staying on top of your much loved beauty regime? These natural and reusable makeup removal rounds are the perfect solution. These 2 pads are ideal for all face cleansing and makeup removal needs and ensure there is no longer any need for disposable wipes and cotton pads. So yeah, so nice to have. and I haven't got any, so it is nice to have that in a box. That's what I love about subscription boxes. You are always introduced to things that you know you may not have tried before. So that is that one. Then we have a Beauty Pro plant-based range avocado mask, and this is a sheet mask, and this one again is vegan, and this is what this one looks like. I've had this before. I've never got to try this before because I never really get a chance to try my skin masks, but yeah, so I've had this in a box before. I don't know what box I've had it in, but definitely had it. Yeah, so these are great. I normally like having a stockpile of these. Obviously everybody in my house enjoys using them. I like using them now and again, and when we are allowed to go on holiday, they're a great thing to have in your travel bag, so that you can pop it on the plane so that your skin doesn't get dehydrated. But obviously we're not going anywhere, unfortunately, at the moment. But yeah, so this is the avocado skin mask. Let's have a little look at what that one says. This one is avocado infused sheet mask, intensely hydrating and nourishing to the skin. This avocado infused sheet mask will leave your complexion feeling softer and smoother than ever. Completely plant-based and with enriching superfood ingredients sourced from New Zealand, this sheet mask also protects the skin from the elements and aids in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And the recommended retail price for that is £4.95. So Jamie's tried it before, it's good. And he's a bit of a connoisseur when it comes to skin masks. So yeah, he pinches all mine, which is fine. We're fine with that. So next we have a hand sanitizer gel, which is 75% alcohol. So obviously this is a really nice addition to have in the box. I know it's very practical, but it is so important for the climate we're in at the moment. Obviously it is very hyped about the COVID-19 at the moment, and it is still going through our country at a rapid rate. So we have to make sure that we are protecting ourselves, and we're protecting each other, and we're protecting our families. It is so important that you are taking these out with you. I can't even tell you. As you all know, I am a nurse, and it is my duty to tell you guys and to remind you guys that you can never ever be too careful. I want my platform to be this sort of space where I can give you informative information as well. So yeah, I have these all over the place. I have them in my car, we have them in Jamie's car, we have them in the house, all over the house, and I just feel like it's so important. So to have one in a beauty box like this, I'm really impressed with Glossybox. They could have just popped another lipstick or something in there, but no, they're thinking of the climate, and that's fantastic. So if I've had to substitute a product for this, then that's fine. I'm happy with that. So this is just basically an alcohol gel. Just rub it into your hands. It is 75% alcohol, so it is good and effective against the virus that we're seeing at the moment. So yeah, that is really nice, and it's 60 mils, and you can use it without soap and water. So yeah, so that's really nice. So good one, Glossybox. You know, you need to make people aware of what's going on. So yeah, so let's have a little read of what that says. Sorry that got a little bit deep, but I had to get that out there. So that's a full-size product, and it will cost you £2.72. It's a hand disinfectant gel. Your sanitizer is a hand sanitizer gel with 75% ethanol alcohol. It's 99.9999% of all germs, whilst increasing your skin moisture by 34%. So it's one that's going to nourish your hands at the same time. That's why Dermatest certificate. It has the #1 sanitizer for sensitive skin. It's also a handy size to keep in your bag whilst you're out and about. So yeah, can't emphasize enough the need for alcohol gel. Make sure you've got one with you. You really need to protect yourself. So that is the Glossybox for this month. So there are some lovely, lovely products in there. And it's not very often you get a box where you will literally use every single product. I'll be jealous of people pinching these products off me. So yeah, so I'm just going to get them together for you so you can see what you've got. So we have the clear brow gel, the Daily Concept reusable wipes, the serum, a hand sanitizer gel, and a eye mask, and then we have a sheet mask at the back. So yeah, so absolutely brilliant for £11.25, which I think I pay a month. It's absolutely fantastic and well worth the money. Can't recommend enough. So yeah, so that is Glossybox for January. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up for me. It really, really helps me. And I love knowing that you guys love seeing my unboxings. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of any future uploads. But until next time, please stay safe, look after each other, and keep everybody around you nice and safe. You take care. Mwah.